channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of Trevi Therapeutics, and today the stock is up 26% and trading at $2.55. Yesterday the stock closed at $2.02 and today opened at a healthy $2.47. Throughout the day, the stock has gone as high as $2.78. The 52-week range for Trevi Therapeutics is from 46 cents all the way up to $3.73. So we are almost about halfway, above half of what the 52-week range was. So volume today is 57 million compared to an average volume of 706,000. So a lot of people are apparently buying up this stock. The market capitalization of the company right now is at $89,700,000. So Trevi Therapeutics is actually a company that is it is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the development and commercialization of Haduvio to treat serious neurologically mediated conditions. The company is developing Haduvio, an oral extended release formulation of nalbuphine, which is in phase 2B, phase 3 clinical trial for the treatment of chronic pruritus, chronic cough in patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. It has a license agreement with Endo Pharmaceuticals Inc. to develop and commercialize products incorporating nalbuphine hydrochloride in any formulation. The company was incorporated in 2011 and is headquartered in New Haven, Connecticut. The company employs 24 full-time employees. So there you have the short a summary of what the company does. But why are the shares of Trevi Therapeutics rising today? Well, they just released some positive data on a study that is taking place for a skin disease drug. So shares of Trevi Therapeutics jumped 38.1% in pre-market trading on Wednesday after the company said its experimental treatment for prurigo nodularis, a type of inflammatory skin disease, met the primary endpoint in a phase 2B, phase 3 clinical trial. If approved, the oral treatment would be the first therapy to treat prurigo nodularis, Trevi said. The company's stock has soared 158% this year, while the broader S&P 500 is down 19.8%. So as you guys can see, the company has been doing really well over since the beginning of the year compared to the general stock market, which you can see here on this graph, that the company at one point in February was trading at just 49 cents, and since then has been rising, going as high as $3.39 in April of this year before dropping down, and today it is up a whopping 26%. So this is a company, I think soon the FDA will be evaluating that drug, but the clinical trials have they have very positive data, and it met its endpoint, which is, I don't know what they said, but typically for clinical trials they would be like there has to be a clear improvement in the condition of those taking the medication compared to a placebo group. And if it met that standard, then of course now it is up to most likely the Food and Drug Administration to evaluate the data and probably try to replicate the same study. And if that happens and goes well, then the drug might be brought to market. All depends on the discretion of the FDA and if the experimental drug meets certain safety requirements. So if that happens, I think I easily see stock of Trevi Therapeutics going even to $10, and who knows, maybe the company might even be acquired by a larger rival. Thank you for your time, and we have just about 40 minutes to the close of market, about 50 minutes. So I'll let you guys put in your final trade, but still do be careful out there. As you guys can see at the top of your screen, that the market is still not recovering at all. It's still heading downward. So be careful as you make your investments so you don't end up losing your shirt. Thanks for your time, and consider subscribing to the channel. That is the single greatest way in which you can thank me and thank the channel. Bye now.